sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Colleen. So I've been obsessed with the curtain bang trend for such a long time, but I've never really had the guts to do it, and my hair is so dull right now. I thought it would be a great time to do it, and especially because we're in the second lockdown in Toronto. There's nowhere I'm going anyway, so if I do end up messing up my hair, I'm not going to be too concerned about it. My hair does grow back pretty fast, so I'm not too worried about that either. And a lot of you guys have asked me previously as to why I cut my hair. I dyed it black from the blonde, and it was such a nice color. Trust me guys, I really wanted to keep it, but it was just so dead, and every single time I would tie it up, it would just look like I'm missing a bunch of hair, and it thinned out a lot during quarantine, and I just thought it was time to just do a big chop and just start all over with my black hair. And I'm not really mad at it, but I did want to add some texture into my hair because it's kind of boring right now. So I wanted to show you guys the full thing of me cutting my hair, and I thought it would just be a fun idea. So I'm going to show you guys what I am going to be using. So I have a wet brush. This is literally just from Marshall's, I think. Pretty cute, and it's very gentle on my hair. The next thing is just a pair of scissors for my hair to like cut it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush my hair out and just make sure that there's no knots. My hair right now is all one length. When my hair was longer, I think this was my shortest layer right here. So I'm just gonna follow this line and then continue cutting. Almost forgot the most important thing, which is a mirror. I think what they did was they're gonna section their hair off from where the ear is. I'm just gonna do the same thing and follow the same amount of hair on both sides, just like that. So now that you have these two going on and everything's tied up properly and nothing's going to be falling out of that, what I think they did next was take the first two parts of the sections like this and then figure out what your longest layer is. I'm gonna take my scissors and just cut it, and I think I'm okay with that. This side of my hair, it has been very thin ever since I dyed it, so it's a little bit shorter, not on purpose but on accident. So the rest of the hair right here, you're just going to cut along this line. So you're gonna go in a V cut. I really hope I'm not fucking up my hair right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut like this. Okay, sure. For anyone who's a hairdresser and is watching this, I'm so sorry if I'm not doing this right, because I'm 100% sure that I'm probably not doing this right, but we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. I think what the trick is to cut downwards so it doesn't look choppy. My hair is naturally straight, so I'm not gonna get the curtain effect until I style it, but I'm gonna take the rest of my hair down. It's not that bad. It's not that bad yet, okay? It's too early to say anything. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna section off some more hair, the same amount at that. You can see there's some sparse areas here, so I'm just gonna cut along the same line here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this video out because I don't really see anything happening right now. So I think the only thing that I think when we style it, we'll actually get the idea. I don't know about the curtain bang part because I kind of got shy and I didn't want to cut any shorter than this. Guys, this pimple patch is really just hanging on to dear life. I'm only gonna cut like a little more because I don't want to overdo it like how I did first lockdown. I'm probably gonna have to revisit a hairstylist very soon. I feel like this was a really bad fail. Like, I don't think anything really changed, so I kind of wasted your time, but we are gonna try and style it. So I'm just gonna go get my hair products and then I will revisit you guys. So I got my hair tools. I have my One Step by Revlon. We're gonna be using this to kind of just give my hair some volume. We are just gonna section the hair off a little bit. So I should just say that my hair is like 90% dry. It's still a little bit damp. I think what is the main event is the last portion of my hair right here. This is where most of the layers that I just added is. So we will see what the Revlon One Step can do for me, but if not, we're gonna go in and fake it till we make it with a curling iron. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this section off. So I think with the Revlon One Step, it definitely did take my hair to the next level of volume, okay? Want to curl it a little bit just to kind of see the vibes, see if this can even look even more like curtain bangs without going to a hairstylist. But I'm kind of impressed with myself for giving myself a little bit of layer and definition to my hair. But again, let's just plug in my hair curler. I think what I'm just going to do is I'm only going to touch up these front parts right here. So I'm just going to curl away from the face like that and kind of hold it. Just fix this. Feeling myself a little bit too much right now. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see. But let me know what you guys thought, if you guys think I did a good job at this? Did I succeed in getting the curtain bang effect? Did I not? Let me know. But I think that's gonna be it for this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!